Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargul. In this video I tell you about animals and their types. Also tell you how are animals useful to us. Wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle. Animals such as tiger, panda, lion, bear, elephant and fox are wild animals. Domestic or pet animals. Domestic or pet animals are kept on the farm or at home. Animals such as the horse and cow are domestic animals. Animals such as the dog and cat are pet animals. How are animals useful to us? Farm animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk that can be made into butter, curd, cheese, and yogurt. Animals like elephant, horses, donkeys, and camels help to carry things for us. The flesh of certain animals like hens and fish is eaten by us. We got honey and wax from bees that are made by bees. Sheep give us wool. Silk is obtained from the cocoon made by silkworms. It can be used to make scarves, shirts, and shades. Birds. Birds have two legs. They also have wings that are covered with feathers. Some birds can fly using their wings, but some birds cannot fly even though they have wings. Some birds like swan and the ducks can swim in water. Birds build their nest using dry twigs and leaves. Most birds live on trees while some live on the ground or in buildings. Now I also tell you life in water. Some animals live in the water such as fish, crab, octopus and seahorse. Fish produce eggs from which baby fish hatch. These baby fish are called fry. Crocodiles and turtles can live both on land and in water. Some fish can live only in fresh water while some can only live in salt water. You can find plants such as kettle and water lotus in ponds, but not in the sea. Only a few plant like seaweeds can survive in salt water. Did you know that a fish breathes through its gills? It breathes by taking water into its mouth and forcing it out through the gills. Now learn all these information carefully.